my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Akshita. I make beauty, makeup and skincare related contents. So today I'm here in front of you guys with a different kind of video where I'm going to do a face off between a micellar water and a cleansing balm, where I'm going to use my trusted Garnier micellar water, which is oil infused cleansing water, on one side of my face to remove my makeup, and I'll use the Plum Illuminance Simply Supple Cleansing Balm on the other end of my face. So I'll do a face off between these two products in this video, and if this sounds interesting to you, do not forget to watch the video till the end, and after you're done watching this video, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also to subscribe to my channel, and there will be a bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Click on the bell, select all to make sure you get all the notifications every time I upload a video like this. And few of my other related videos I'll mention down below in the bottom bar as well as in the eye icon. You can head over there and check all those videos out, and all my social media account links are also listed down below in the bottom bar. You can check me out over there and you can find all the fun stuffs I post over there, and if you like those stuffs, do not forget to follow me over there as well. And yes, so that's enough of me blabbering. Now quickly let's get into the face of battle. So what I'll do is I'll use on this side of my face the micellar water, which is my trusted micellar water, which is about to finish this particular big bottle, which is from Garnier. It is their oil infused micellar cleansing water. And this side of my half of my face, I'll use the new Plum Illuminance Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. So let's start by removing the makeup. I'll take this much cotton, and after shaking this particular product, I'll take a good amount of cleansing balm. Good amount of micellar water, and I'll start removing my makeup from this end. And I have this particular colorful eye look going on, so it will be a real test for this particular cleansing balm, as well as the I'll just remove my earrings so it will be better. They're coming in my way. So as I have this yellow and especially red or pink, this kind of color, they tend to normally what to say, stain your eyelid. So it will be a test for this particular micellar water as well as with the cleansing balm. As you can see, what I can feel is my foundation has been removed pretty well with this, because with this one swipe, see how much is removed. I'm looking really funny like this. I'll just remove my mascara. Although I don't prefer using very harsh motion, because obviously my eye area is anyway sensitive. All of our eyelid eye area is. So by just making sure I'm applying the micellar water over my eyelashes, I'm just removing my mascara. Anyway, I don't prefer using waterproof mascaras anyway, because they are a pain to remove. So wearing makeup regularly, I don't find a need of waterproof mascara. Any good quality mascara will last on your eyelashes long. So yeah, it took me around 2 minutes to apply remove it. I think I have removed it quite well. So now comes this product over here on the other half of my face. Now I will see, because honestly this is a very new product, and today it will be a first impression with you guys, because I haven't used this product. As you can tell, I'm just taking it out of its cardboard packaging for the very first time. It comes with this particular applicator, which I really like, so I don't have to touch the product, because this is a very big jar, and I don't want this jar to get the bacteria and anything like that. So I have to open this up. Okay, this is how it looks. It comes with a seal, and this is how the balm looks. I won't open the whole thing because I would like to keep it in this manner. I will just take, I think you hold it in this way. Oh, this is so good. It's like petroleum jelly. The texture is looking like that. It's coming up. Looks yum. I'll just apply it. And I'll take this much first, then I'll see if I need more. And they just said in the packaging to apply and massage well. That's all you have to do. Wow, the way it is removing my eye makeup, see? Normal, cleansing balm, they require a water, a little bit of water to emulsify on your face, because they are a little bit on the drier side, but I don't think with this one you will need water. If you take good amount of it. I'll stop talking now because I have to remove the lipstick on this side. I was worried, for the very first time as I'm using this, I was worried that it might stung my eyes, because it is not stinging at all. I'm applying it a lot of amount on the eye area to remove my eye makeup completely, but as till now it is not actually making any kind of irritation. But I have to go and wash my face off, because you have to apply water, preferably with warm water. You have to remove this residue along with your makeup. I'll just quickly go and wash my face off and come back to see you the end result. Then we'll test which one actually won the battle, right? I'll just quickly come back. So I am back after washing my face off. As you can see, this side was washed off by the micellar water. This side was with the cleansing balm. Just to give you a heads up, guys, another thing I would love to mention. While using the cleansing balm, I did not, feel the need to go ahead and apply it and remove it with warm water. But while I actually went and tried to remove it with plain water, then I understood how then it was started emulsifying, and it has a weird kind of texture, like a little bit on the oilier side, heavy texture. And till now I really had to go, I did not wanted to use any face wash to remove it, but the residue was not coming off. I had to use face wash to remove the thing from my the cleansing balm from my face. And now even after using the face wash, anyway I made sure I did not apply the face wash on this side of my face. I just applied it on this side, not this end. But still, touching it, I am feeling a little bit of residue still left even after you washing it off with the face wash. So I really highly recommend you, if you have oily or combination skin type, not dry skin type, you must wash this particular product up with warm water, because I think with warm water the product itself will get dissolved and it will come off easily from your face while you're trying to remove it. But okay, so what I'll do is just to check if which one has removed makeup better. I will take cotton pad like this, little bit of cotton, and both side of my face I'll use my trusted toner from Plum, and I'll just try to just swipe it across my face just to see if there is any residue left, because looking at it from now, talking about makeup residue, I don't see any residue. But our eyes, with plain eyes, it can be deceiving sometime, so I have to check if there is any, including the eye area. Okay, there is. Can you see it, guys? With the, even after using the cleansing, not cleansing, micellar water, and after washing my face off without face wash, on this side I just splashed water, and I just pat it dry. Still there is something or other left. I hope it is picking up on camera. A little bit of foundation residue I can actually see. I thought that it is pretty damn clear, but it is not. Okay, I just hope this side is clear, because I have used a face wash as well. I hope that doesn't defeat the whole purpose of using this product. But anyway, after cleansing balm, in normal circumstances as well, I was going to use a face wash, because we use cleansing balm for do a double cleansing. Even after using a micellar water, in normal cases, we are just seeing if there is any difference. Otherwise, we will use a cleanser, a good cleanser, to cleanse off the whatever is left. I'm not sure who won, because both of the side has residues still left, and it is coming off with the toner. And this side, surprisingly, I had cleansing balm, then I used face wash, then this is coming. And this side, comparatively, with just micellar water and normal water, this is coming. So if you guys ask me, I really thought this side will be cleaner, because cleansing balms are really good for our skin. It is what is being said. Maybe it is actually good for skin, but when it comes to removing makeup, I'm really not sure. I will give this one a 9 out of 10 and this a 8.5 out of 10. Like the cleansing balm, 8.5 out of 10, and the micellar water, 9 out of 10. Because no one gets 10 out of 10, because none of them were able to, remove makeup completely. So that's the final verdict of the face off. So honestly, I am a little bit disappointed with each of the product, but I have been using this one up, and I know that I love this product because this removes makeup well. But I really love the way the cleansing balm actually removed my eye makeup. I don't know if it's visible on camera, but there is no residue left. But I had to go a lot of time while I just applied the micellar water. I used the micellar water to remove my eye makeup. But with the cleansing balm, I did not have to go like over and over again with my eye area. I just need to rub it off, and then I just washed it off. So that's all it required for me to go ahead and remove that kind of colorful eye makeup from my eye area. And it has removed my both of them have removed my mascara pretty well actually. There is no residue left as far I can see. There is no residue of mascara left on my eyes, which is pretty good. I am actually not, I will say, I was disappointed with the foundation part, because I know nothing can remove foundation like that. You have to go ahead and apply a cleanser and wash your face off with it even after you remove your makeup. So that's what bring me to the end of this video, and I hope that you find this video helpful. And guys, for your knowledge, do always, even if you're using any kind of makeup remover or any micellar water or even cleansing balm, do wash your face off with another cleanser after you're done removing your makeup using these techniques. So this is just a small tip from my end, just to make sure you are always double cleansing your face after you remove your makeup. So I hope this makes sense. And so thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end, guys. I really appreciate that fact, and I hope you enjoyed this kind of different video from my end where I showed you the battle between these two products. And if you really find this video helpful and interesting from my end, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel, guys, if you haven't already. It will really mean a lot to me. And you will find the red subscribe button down below. Click on the button, make sure you make that button gray, and there will be a bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Click on the bell and select all, so that you will get all the notifications every time I upload a video like this. And also few of my other related videos, like this particular product where I showed you this product in one of my haul video from Nykaa. So if you haven't watched those videos out yet, what I do is I'll list all those videos down below in the bottom bar as well as in the eye icon. You will find the videos. If you click on the eye, you will get the list of videos, and also few of the other videos will listed in the bottom bar. You can head over there and watch those videos, and few of the other videos will appear on the screen as soon as this one ends. So you have a lot of options to choose from. So whatever seems interesting to you, you can watch that particular video next after you're done watching this video. And also what I'll do is, all my social media account, I have already listed those links down below in the bottom bar, to make sure you can head over there and check me out over there, because I put fun stuffs over there, and I'm really sure you don't want to miss out on those stuffs. And if you really enjoyed those stuffs as well, do not forget to follow me over there and show some love as well. And yes, so thank you so much for watching once again, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, you all stay safe and take care. Bye bye.